Okay, so the previous video I had, I wanted to find the area of a triangle where I'm given the lengths of two sides and the measure of the angle between them. What if you're given the lengths of all three sides? Well, you could figure out one of the angles and then use the previous stuff, but there's a shortcut formula that's nice to know. And so we'll learn that. So this is if you know what three sides of the triangle are, the lengths of the three sides, you can find the area directly from them. So it's a theorem. It's called Heron's formula. If the lengths of the sides of a triangle are A, B, and C, first we have to define the semiperimeter S as half of the perimeter. Semi means half. Okay, so semiperimeter, half the perimeter. So that would be A plus B plus C, the whole thing, over 2. And we call that S. Now, remember, that's not the average of A, B, and C. That would be A plus B plus C over 3. This is a semiperimeter, A plus B plus C over 2. So it's kind of a weird number that you probably haven't dealt with before unless you've done this Heron's formula before. Okay? Then the formula is, the area of the triangle is, you get S times S minus the lengths of each side. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So you can think of a triangle as like a trapezoid where one side has been shrunk down to a point, so it has length 0. So that would be the S minus the 0 for just the S. S minus 0, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, if that helps you to remember. But remember, there's 4 factors inside. And if you look at the units, you'll see, say the units were feet. S would be in feet, S minus A would be in feet, S minus B would be in feet, S minus C would be in feet. So inside the radicand, you would get, inside the radical, you would get feet to the 4th power. Then you do the square root and you get feet squared, which is the right kind of units for area. So if you leave that S off, you won't get feet squared, or you won't get an area at all, okay? So I'm going to do an example. Pretty easy to do these. You just have to remember the formula. Find the area and when to use it. Find the area of a triangle whose sides have measures 2 inches, 8 inches, and 9 inches. So the semiperimeter I find first. That's 2 plus 8 plus 9 all over 2, which gives me 9.5. So I'm going to do the area equals the square root of 9.5. And then 9.5 minus 2, 9.5 minus 8, 9.5 minus 9. And those are really easy to do, the differences. So I get square root of 9.5 times 7.5 times 1.5 times 0.5, which is approximately 7.31 square inches. Okay, so not much to that. You just have to remember how to find the semiperimeter, and then the formula for the area in terms of the semiperimeter and the lengths of the 3 sides of the triangle. So that's Heron's formula.